everyone. Joe and I are here at Disney World, and we're heading off to the parks this morning. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Now let's go have a great time.
Sometimes you gotta see it with your own eyes. Run wild, you gotta let it out, those good vibes. I'm on a trip with you. Go down, salute the sun, you're the morning.
Alright, we are here at Blackstone, Skyliner. We got the, I don't know how you pronounce it, LeFou, something like that, brew. And it's kind of, it tastes kind of apple-y to me.
Yeah, it almost looks like one of the Dole products, but
Maybe. I think it tastes kind of apple-y. It's good. And then we got the
rather tiny. Okay, maybe it's not tiny.
warm cinnamon.
It's ham size. That's how big it is.
That's a huge bitch!
Thing's massive. I've never had one of these. All the trips, I've never had one of these. So I'm going to ice this. This is a warm thing, but the icing is not warm anymore.
It will be shortly.
This cup is hot, but the icing is oddly solid. Now the drink was $5.79, the water bottle was $3.50, and the cinnamon roll was $5.99. So the total is $16.05.
Feels like a
He's got a thing for peaches in there. Everything he says is like peaches.
maybe it's just an Amphicar.
I thought it tasted like an apple.
Well, got that there.
It feels like it's got like a fizz to it.
Yeah.
I can't really describe it. It's kind of foamy. Really good though.
If you want to show them kind of the layers inside here, you can see those layers of cinnamon.
How's that for you? Let me cut myself a slime. That's really good. So once you get past that outside layer, the inside is super soft, really moist, really good.
You're right, that is pretty frizzy. That's kind of interesting.
It doesn't seem like it has fizz in it, and at the same time it's kind of fizzy.
Maybe it's like partially carbonated and frozen, a slushy machine, I don't know.
It's good. It's really good. Gary and I have had that, but I've never had this. I definitely did not eat it again.
I would say, Liam and I one.
So this one is a thumbs up. Definitely a good one. I'd do this one again for sure. So Joe and I are here at Magic Kingdom getting ready to get on Astro Orbiter. Neither one of us have done it before, so we're going to give it a go today.
Sometimes you gotta see it with your own eyes. Run wild, you gotta let it out, those good vibes. I'm on a trip with you. Go down, salute the sun, you're the morning light. I know you feel it. Home again, you're branching out into the neverland. I'm on a trip with you.
Do it.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And please distinguish supervisor y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas firmes.
This little comfortable. That was so crazy. What'd you think of that, Joe?
That was an interesting quick ride.
Oh my God, that was so much faster than I thought. That was way faster than I thought it was going to be. I thought I was going to get awesome footage of the castle and stuff, but it goes so fast. Maybe at night I can with the lights and stuff. Maybe it'll look a little bit better, but yeah, as far as this, it wasn't going to happen. That was pretty wild. I'd definitely do that again, though. That's fun, but it was way faster than I was anticipating. Joe and I are here at Peter Pan's flight, and I'm trying out the new Sony ZV-1 on the intelligent auto setting. So we'll see how it does in this dark ride with intelligent auto. Hanging out with us here today at Disney World. If you're new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, please don't forget to check out some of our other great videos we have on the Disney parks, the rides, resorts, resort rooms, Skyliner rides, day trips and car shows, outdoor pizza oven videos. We've got so many great videos I think you're going to love. Thank you so much for watching.